Hey, welcome to the video. Gonna do a quick walkthrough on our first new home build from start to finish. Coming up, we got our service on the outside. We do have a solar system, PV system on the roof, but nice and clean. Not a bunch of stuff on the outside, which is the way it should be, in my opinion. It's a smaller system. We come into the garage. We have left solar information for the homeowner and contact information, so when they purchase the home, we will do a 1-hour consult with them and get everything transferred over. This is the solar controller in here, so it's not taking up a lot of space. As always, we have an accurate panel schedule that can be easily changed. All the proper labeling. U for ground, gas bond, so there's no question of what these are. We got a raceway into the panel for a future EV charger. And when we're doing new homes, we don't like the keyless fixtures. We actually like to put in good lighting for our garage. A couple extra receptacles. Cost is minimal to do it at this point. Come in the home. We have hall closets. They did want to add a stacked switch. I always recommend that we just go with a 2-gang box, but we did choose the fixtures. We have good hallway lighting, switched from multiple locations. And then of course, our boxes in any area that may be used for a ceiling fan are rated boxes. We did nice clean receptacles. We have our pantry light. That is a nice plus. And we have good under cabinet lighting on all the cabinet surfaces. And plenty of receptacles. And at each one of the locations, we have a Cat 6 and an RG6 cable ran, multiple locations. All the closets do have closet lighting. Which is definitely one of the extras I would suggest you put in when building your home. Another one that a lot of people like is the stairwell, stair tread lights. Does light them up pretty good at nighttime. And then coming upstairs here, again, tread lights, looking down. We have our ceiling lights. Come into the laundry room. Again, doesn't take much to add an extra fixture when you're building your house out. Makes a big difference. And then each bedroom, of course, has closet light. A box rated for fan support if they ever choose to, which is code, so you have to, but it's always good to have those. We got RG6 and Cat 6 in every room. Couple extra receptacles. I always like to get mine towards the corners because typically, if you were going to have a lamp, that is where it's going to be sitting, is closer to the corners. So if I add an extra receptacle or two here and there on a build, to me, that is not a big deal. It is worth the investment for the new homeowners and for just resale value, because that is what people look at Just the little conveniences. Again, when we installed bathrooms, we gave them a vanity, a shower light, which is a wonderful add, and then that is the fan, and they are really quiet. There it is. That's the Whisper Quiet from Panasonic. Again, definitely an upgrade that I would recommend on any build. So, and in here, again, it's a rated box for fan support. And like I said, tucking the receptacles, like those two are closer than they need to be, but what is the cost of having an extra receptacle here and there? So again, we're in the master bath now. So we have our center lights, we have our shower light, we have our Whisper Quiet fan. Takes a second for those to actually get up to where you can hear. There it is. And then we have our vanity lights. All lights are dimmable, and you typically work from the outside. As the lights behind me, as you go in, keeps closing down. So of course the one farthest over, vanity lights. Then we have the master walk-in. Again, you always want to have very good lighting in your closets. And back behind here, I don't have my screwdriver with me, but this is a low voltage panel, which you have all of your Cat 6 and RG6 come to here, and then you have home runs to the exterior where the utilities can come in. But this way you can have things, splitters mounted, whatever, how you want to adapt your system to your needs. And we did put a hard wire Cat 6 down to the solar controller, so you don't have to rely on Wi-Fi all the time. But yeah, this is our first one. I've done many homes, but this is the first start to finish with our company. Yeah, thanks for tuning into the video. Hopefully you got some ideas on if you're building a new home, a couple things you can put in under cabinet lighting, closet lighting, again, tread lights. Those are always nice. Yeah, thanks for tuning in. And hopefully this beautiful home takes care of the family that gets it. All right, bye.